What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Apex Legends is having an issue with Badware Error 0x80002. So this is happening for many of these right now, and how we can fix this error. So if you're going through this particular error over here on the Apex games, all we have to do is just go over here. So I'll be showing you how we can completely fix this particular error. So in order to fix this particular error, all we have to do is just go over here. So the first and foremost, just get into the Apex, just first open your Apex Legends. So for me, the Apex Legends is available in the on the Steam. So just open your Steam. Now from here, you have to just go over here at the top. And over here, as you can see, I'm having the Apex Legends here. So right now, just go over here. Whenever you're trying to play, if you're getting this Badware error, the only solution that's going to fix for you guys is all about what we need to do is we just need to uninstall one tool called Daemon tools Lite from your programs. So just go over here, search for the control panel. We have to search here for the control panel and we have to click this one. So right now, once you click on the control panel, you just need to wait for it to get completely loaded up. Then once afterwards, just go over here. Over here you can see you just need to navigate to the programs and features. Just go over here in the programs and features, and over here for some users, not some users, for most of the users, you'll be having one thing called Daemon tool Lite. So if you're having the Daemon tool lights here, so what we need to do is just select the Daemon tool lights and we have to uninstall it. That's what we have to try. So just select it and go for uninstall, and once it's successfully uninstalled, we have to close everything over here. Just go back to your Steam and try launch the game, and you'll not be having the trouble. So this is the only one solution that is working for almost every users. Just uninstall the Daemon tool lights. You don't have to do anything, just do this and it will be working fine. So that's it, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon next video. Bye.